What that boy doing? Shout out to my own. Thanks for holding it down. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the blessings. We rocking, we rolling. Y'all know how we rocking, we rolling.
Oh yeah.
All good vibes, all good energy, all good blessings.
Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you, God.
Yeah.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my throne and never ever see a Vegas. The hood, you make it out, yeah, you made it. You know it's dog eat dog, so you already know it's coming.
What's up, YouTube? We all done. On this way. Pick up the boat. Thing turned out beautifully. Just gotta get it cleaned up. She ready to rock. So what I did was did 2 8-inch Marina Scar, 2 tweets on the right side, same with the left side. We got cup holders in there. Put the Rockford unit in there. Added the purple LED lights, center channel fern. Job turned out nice. Had it for like 3 weeks because I was working on other things, but that's the boat. See that nice center channel, so everybody we passing in the water can hear the music. Boat is all done. Give me some action. Give me some action. Let me see what we're working with.
That's all we got to do right now.
Oh yeah.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play.